Hey guys, Greg Sargent here with Restoration Made Simple and want to give you a quick tip on how you could add over $1 million, $500,000, $3 million to your existing restoration business. You guys are already out there doing water losses, fire losses, mold projects, sewer backups, remodeling projects, demolition projects. You're already in these commercial properties and residential homes all the time. The question is, are you testing appropriately for asbestos? If so, are you outsourcing that, or are you giving that work away, or are you telling them they need to find somebody online? We would love to help you start adding asbestos abatement to your current services. A lot of people get a little nervous on the licenses that you need and the training that you need and how to market for it. That's what we're here for. So reach out to us at Restoration Made Simple. We'd love to help you add asbestos abatement to your current restoration business or your current any business that you have, demolition business, general contracting business, or if you'd love to start asbestos abatement services from scratch. We'll help you from hiring and recruiting to writing your estimates to marketing online to getting paid by insurance companies. Give us a call at 801-559-7144. Talk to you soon.